So if you've ever needed to accept payment for something, but you don't have a way to accept that payment, maybe you don't have a website set up or some sort of payment system like Venmo set up where you can collect that payment, this video is for you. My name is Anthea, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your Stripe account to your Zoe. Zoe is an AI companion that gets stuff done for you, and we're gonna jump right into it, all right? This is 3 easy steps. Step 1, you're gonna open up your Zoe like we are here. You're gonna go down to settings. Okay, and your settings is going to open, and you are going to go to integrations here, and then you'll see there's this little bar here that says payments. You're going to click payments, it'll scroll you down to here, and this is where you can connect your Stripe. So I'm going to show you what happens when you click open Stripe dashboard. If you already have a Stripe set up, you'll just go through this process, and there will be something that's very easy that comes up that will automatically link your Stripe to your Zoe. If you don't have a Stripe account, you'll go down here to create account, go through the same process. Once you're done with that, you're all set, right? So your Stripe will be connected to your Zoe, and you can start to ask Stripe to create product links for you. So this is where you can get creative, right? Do you want to sell stuff through your website? Do you want to sell, very unique kind of custom link packages to any sort of service or product that you may have? You can literally ask your Zoe without having to do any manual work to create this product to send you a product link. So I first want to show you a few things, right? So any products that you do make are going to come up here. So these are all the current payment links that I have. And then all of the sales that I make are also going to come through here. So if you need to see any of that information, you can. I'm going to show you now here. Can you make me a Stripe link for $100 for a private yoga class? Zoe is going to get to work doing all of this, and now I'm showing you how you can do this like within your Zoe. So here you go, from Zoe, made me this product link, super happy. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can do this by texting. So I connected my Zoe to my computer, and I'm going to say, hey Zoe, can you send me a payment link for $2,400 for a private room on my upcoming Mind, Body, Water, Earth retreat. Right, so I sent this off to my text. I can do this on my computer, I can do this on my phone. Okay, so you can see here, sent me the payment link to this private room. I can just click this link or copy and paste it to send it to someone else. It's going to open up this super nice Stripe checkout page. It says what it's for, and also does a little conversion. I'm in Mexico right now. So yeah, that's it. This essentially makes you able to bill anyone for anything, anywhere. And it's also really nice because you don't have to pay these high premiums anymore to be able to accept payment. It's just you, your Zoe, and your Stripe. I really hope that you have fun doing this. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord. We're always there to answer questions, and we hope you have fun with Zoe. The sky is the limit.